Hey guys, so today is the 100th episode of ICYMI. Yay! No yay? No? Okay. So I would like to take this opportunity to thank all of you guys for making this possible. And now, let's get back to the news. It looks like the next Xiaomi Mi 9 smartphone will be called the Mi 9T, and the name has been confirmed by Xiaomi on Twitter. This device has already passed our SIM certification in Malaysia, and it looks like this device will be available in Malaysia really soon. The Xiaomi Mi 9T is expected to be the global version of the Redmi K20. So what do you think the letter T in the Xiaomi Mi 9T meant? Let me know in the comments below. Samsung is expected to release their Samsung Galaxy Note 10 series in August this year. But way ahead of its official launch, we did get a clearer look of this device. According to a picture posted by Ben Gasking, it seems like the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 will come with a single selfie camera that's mounted in the middle. According to Phone Arena, it seems like the device will come with a triple camera setup that consists of a main camera, an ultra-wide-angle lens, as well as a telephoto lens. There's also a bunch of sensors which includes a time-of-flight camera as well as a flood illuminator. But it seems like Samsung will be removing the heart rate sensor in the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. If you're currently planning to purchase the Xiaomi Mi 9, Digi is currently offering the device on their Phone Freedom 365 program. The device being offered is the 6GB RAM and 128GB storage version, and it is priced at 1,999 ringgit. With Phone Freedom 365, you can own a smartphone by installment with zero upfront payment as well as 0% interest. For the lowest commitment plan, the device can be yours at 58 ringgit per month on its Digi Postpaid 80. It can also go as low as 23 ringgit per month on the highest Digi Postpaid 190 contract with a 24 months duration. Jack, faster office tour want to start Okay. Thank you.
A few moments later.
Okay. Hi guys. So today is a very special day. It's already 100 episode of ICYMI and you guys requested for a office tour. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to show you around this office. So let's get started. So first, I would like to show you the ICYMI set. So this is our set. Then behind usually there's a camera guy who monitors my script and stuff. And this is where I stand. So I'll be looking at the camera like this. Yep. So moving on. Oh, so this is Marcus. He is monitoring what I'm saying right now. And this is our little pantry. Oh, Anip, tak puasa ke Anip? Ha. Okay. So he's running away. Then this is our pantry. Oh, Zach. Okay, so this is our pantry. This is our little energy booster. We drink our coffee here. And this is where we place our food in this area. So yeah, this is quite a simple one, and yeah, we drink water from that thing. Okay. So now let's move on to the living area. Oh, and you can see there's Anip again. He's playing his phone. Sorry, Anip. This is where we watch TV and play games. This is like our resting area. And if anyone's over here, right, we'll literally just sleep here because we're damn tired. Okay. So now let's move on to... Look, there's Anip again. Okay, so this is the video team section where all the video people sit here. Okay, so this is Mr. Jack. Hi, Jack.
Hi. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. So what do you do here? In Soya Chin Chow?
I edit videos, I take photos, I am a videographer also. And
Do you like your job?
yeah, I do love my job. I love my job a lot.
Nice to hear.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is where Jack sits. He has this freaking large MacBook Pro that he always say not enough.
And.
Okay, this needs to be censored. Okay. Okay, so I am sitting, this is my place. I sit right beside Mr. Jack. So this is my place and a nice view. Look at the view, man. Look at the view. this is empty, so sometimes Vernon sits here. And this is Marcus' table. He's using an iMac. Look at this. All these Apple people. Okay, then there's Marcus. Look, he's sitting there. Are you? Anyway, this is the writer's desk. Look at the desk, so majestic. Okay, so Najib's not here because he's apparently out for an event. Then Rory's in Taiwan for Computex, so he's coming back next week. And Alex is not here, sadly. Hi, Amin. Hello, this is our boss, Mr. Amin.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
So,
What are you doing?
I am doing office tour.
Really?
Yeah.
You told me also?
Huh? I told you.
Huh?
I thought I told you.
I didn't get anything.
Huh? No eh? I told you in Slack.
Hello everybody. Hi, thanks for watching. Thanks for making ICYMI 100 possible. I hope you guys like the show. Please give us comments, suggestions, thumbs up, so that we can always improve our content, make it better for you guys.
Oh, so nice.
Okay, get out of my face.
Oh, thank you. Then there's Soya Jinjab BM. Look, the team behind Soya Jinjab. Hi, this is Taufik. So what do you do here?
So basically, I'm do write up for Strategy BM. So that's what I'm doing right now.
Look, dedication, such dedication. And there's Mr. Anip. Hi, Anip.
You.
Hello, Anip. Oh, how are you feeling? See. Yeah, this is the puasa month. Later, soon, buka puasa then makan. Okay? Okay, now, this is the set. This is our set. You can see our unboxings. You remember Alex's take a note? Yeah, this is all shot here. Then we'll place our lights and everything so it's much more brighter. And this wall of wood. This is my favorite place of all because this is like one corner where I feel very comfortable. And I'll just sit down there and do unboxing. And look at the view once again, man. Look at the view, so nice. We are at the 15th floor, so the view here is quite good. Here comes Marcus. Let's talk to Marcus. Hi, Marcus.
Hello.
What do you do here?
I edit videos for the SCBM team. Subscribe to SCBM.
Yes.
We need your likes.
Okay, so this is oh my god, this is quite a mess because yesterday we've done some shooting, so all the boxes, the phone boxes are all placed here. Look at the box, all the phone boxes, they're like Realme 2 Pro. Wow, the Realme 3 Pro is already here, and there's the Realme 2 Pro, and all the other stuff is right over here. Then we have our equipment all right here, and there's a boxes full of boxes. Phone boxes apparently. There's like these old models. So all of our boxes will just put everything in here. And our equipments are all above. We're quite organized actually, haha. This is where we put our audio stuff, all our equipment. Then there's camera accessories. Then these two big baby right here. We used to shoot all of our videos. They've helped a lot. And they come out great. Okay, then this is our storage and stuff, then etc. Use battery. Okay. Oh yeah, Amin.
Huh?
Got giveaway ah?
Huh?
Are you giving anything away? Can we give away something?
Nobody told me about that, but let's see what we got.
Okay.
So it's the 100th episode of ICYMI, and obviously I think Ray has been asking the question, what should we do for the 100th episode? A lot of you have been asking for us to do a giveaway, so thank you to all the commenters, especially Detox and a few others out there. I'll put the names in this section soon.
Yeah, thank you,
so
Detox.
Ray, make that happen. So thanks everybody for the comments. And we worked really hard, and we're going to do a giveaway. So there's going to be a giveaway for the 100th episode of ICYMI, and we're giving away everything you see in this box. So
Come, break it down for us what we have inside this box. Oh, it's too full.
Okay, so yes, we have the Realme 3 Pro that we're gonna give away, and I think there's another phone in here. Oh yes. the Xiaomi Mi 9 SE.
Ooh.
This is my favorite phone for mid-range. I really like this. The camera is really good on this. But the Realme 3 Pro is pretty good for gaming too. So gaming is not my thing, but if you are into gaming, hey, you stand a chance to win the Realme 3 Pro. We got a Bluetooth headset.
That's a lot of things you're giving away.
A Bluetooth headphone. And another Bluetooth headphone.
Is there more? Is there more?
Let me see. This is a cable. I think we'll give this away with a power bank. So we have a 10,000 milliamp hour power bank and a wireless power bank and another power bank.
Wow.
Okay, so we are giving away 3 power banks, 2 phones, a few headsets, and yeah. So all these things are going to one person each, respectively. So one person gets this, one person gets this, one person gets this, one person gets this, and everything. All you need to do is drop your best comments on why you should win these goodies in the comment section. But before we give them away, I need a small favor from you guys. Give us 100 likes in this special episode of ICYMI 100 so that we can start giving this away. So if we get 100 likes in this special episode of ICYMI 100, we will start giving away these goodies. So again, you get the Realme 3 Pro, the Mi 9 SE, 3 power banks, one of them is wireless, 2 Bluetooth headphones, and a Bluetooth headset. That's pretty much it.
Okay. Thank you, Amin. Thank you so
Good luck,
much.
guys. Good luck. So hopefully you guys win, and thank you again for watching the show. Look out for even more awesome ICYMIs coming into the future, and your comments and suggestions so that we can always be better. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Amin. Okay, guys, you heard it right. Like our video. With 100 likes, we'll give out all these goodies. So good luck, people, and remember to comment. So your best comments, we'll pick them, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.